The fact that exists in the video will shatter many people's beliefs. I plan to create a YouTube channel for making a significant amount of money. For that, I've been trying to find the channel that became so popular in 2020, where they share YouTube channel ideas. But even after searching repeatedly, I couldn't locate it. Later, I found out about Andy Hafel's channel on Reddit and come to know what happened with his channel. His channel is terminated by YouTube for creating confusing and misleading videos about earning huge money with false promises. I've already worked with 2 YouTube channels, but I haven't succeeded with either of them because all those videos were hiding some truths. And to make matters worse, Andy Hafel used to show income proof from Social Blade. However, the income shown on Social Blade sometimes is not even close to accurate. For example, the monthly income of the TubeLight VS channel is shown as $13,300. On the other hand, the channel called WFB Videos' monthly income is $1,300, and unbelievably, PuVideo earns $1 million per month. But the crazy part is none of these channels could monetize any of their content because YouTube does not monetize reused or copy-paste content.
YouTube doesn't monetize all unoriginal content. No matter what you do and how you do, if that's stolen content, you are screwed.
If making a fortune from copy-paste videos were so easy, creators would have secretly created these channels themselves first and wouldn't have let others know. It's unimaginable for a normal viewer to think about how much money they've made from these misleading videos. There's a YouTube channel named Caffeinated Blogger. He created a video on how to collect free videos and find copyright-free audio on the internet and how to combine them to create a new video. Once he showed his analytics on his channel, revealing how much money he makes with how many views. According to that calculation, he earned over $141,000 just from this single video. But these types of videos are not entirely false either. For example, in this video, it's shown that both of these channels are making money. But it doesn't mean that other channels can earn like them. In this channel, they combine various clips into a video, and it is monetized. But this massive channel with 4.3 million subscribers could not monetize its content. However, a similar small channel called Akimbo in the same niche got monetized. Similarly, a channel that created videos using movie clips got monetized, but this channel's monetization was disabled. In conclusion, there's no certainty as to which channel will be monetized based on reused content. Also, everyone on YouTube is uploading low-effort content, which is why YouTube is changing its policies and updating its algorithms frequently. This way, YouTube is trying to discourage all these copied contents. So if you follow old videos or want to make easy money from low-effort contents in 2023, then the chance is you are not going to make a single penny out of it. So beware of everything you watch on YouTube.